Today, I'm making my skinless chicken drumsticks. Cut around the skin above the ankle joint. Using the tip of the knife, tap down the ankle joint where you feel the groove. After a few taps, it should pop off. Use scissors to cut the remaining tendons. Next, pull the skin off the chicken. It may be a little slippery, so I use a knife to hold it still as I pull it off. Add all the seasoning in a large bowl. Using a whisk, thoroughly mix all the ingredients. Then begin coating the chicken. Then put them in the baking dish lined with parchment paper. Cover and bake for 45 minutes on 375 degrees.